Explore the world of Octobrain with this guide tailored for timeline. From interacting with content to accessing workshops and events, this guide will help you navigate effortlessly through the application's features. Welcome to Octobrain's vibrant ecosystem, where institutes and vendors seamlessly connect with their target audience. Institutes can engage with public posts from various clubs, sparking interactions and collaborations. Choose the option by clicking on one. You can always engage by writing a comment. Share your thoughts on others' posts. Interact further by clicking on comment. Between these posts, dynamic ads and special events tailored to user interests create unparalleled exposure for vendors. You can also see an event card in between posts. It can be based on user preference or sponsored to reach target audience for specific interests. Access the STEM category by clicking on STEM. Navigate to the Science STEM section. On the right sidebar, we have Announcements section. Announcements grab attention with concise titles, short descriptions, and call-to-action buttons, perfectly customized to user preferences, interests, and sponsorships. Visit the page for the STEM Robotics Kit launch. Some announcements are based on interest or traffic. Access the timeline feature to interact with posts around the Octobrain. At the top middle, featured posts take the spotlight. These high-impact spaces showcase sponsored content or interest-based promotions, driving meaningful inbound or outbound traffic. On the left, intuitive navigation opens doors to explore clubs. View all available clubs you have joined or manage. Return to browsing clubs. Members can effortlessly browse their clubs. Search. Enter your search query in the search bar. Members can effortlessly filter clubs based on location and interests. Open the linked content. Explore content related to location. Apply tag filters to refine your search. Explore content related to sports. Access more information. View suggested clubs matching your profile. Activities are equally accessible, offering a gateway to browse and engage with opportunities tailored to user needs. View all available activities that you created or manage. Return to browsing activities. Initiate a search by clicking on the search bar. Enter your search query in the search bar. Access the linked information. Apply tag filters to refine your search. Explore content related to social awareness. Access the leadership section. Navigate to the leadership category. Explore content related to social awareness. Access the Winter Robotics Challenge 2025 details. Stay informed about local events and activities through these clubs and activities section. Let's go back to timeline. Let's browse your About section. Finally, the About section provides vendors a dedicated space to showcase their brand, contact details, and offerings, creating direct connections with the audience. Access your connections. View the total number of workshops. Access the total number of events. View the total number of clubs. Access the total number of students. View the total number of teachers. Octobrain is designed to transform how institutes and vendors interact, offering impactful tools for visibility, engagement, and growth. This guide covered a range of actions from engaging with content, participating in workshops, exploring different categories, and accessing essential information. Thank you for exploring Octobrain's dynamic features and how they bring value to institutes and vendors alike. Together, we create a thriving ecosystem that connects education, innovation, and opportunity. Stay tuned as we continue this journey, showcasing how Octobrain transforms engagement into meaningful growth. See you in the next segment.